This is my 2013 Nissan Frontier with a 2-inch shackle lift in the rear. And what I did was I took a rear shock for a Ford Ranger and put it on the Nissan. One of the most budget friendly shocks you can get. $36 at O'Reilly. The FD 100. The only other real modification you have to do is change out the bottom bolt. I used an M12 by 80. Got a nut and 4 washers because it does need a spacer in between the bracket. Came out to $730 each side. With the FD 100 shocks for a Ford Ranger, it is 1.8 inches longer than stock, and you gain 1 inch of shock travel. Along with longer shocks, you have to extend your ABS line and brake line. All I did was take it out of the factory location, put them together, and make sure they're zip tied together and not rubbing on anything, and do it on both sides. And that's all it takes to get extended travel in your rear when you lift it. Pretty cheap.